Sound reduction in the present perfect. In conversation, we use the contractions haven't and hasn't much more often than the full forms have not and has not. When we use the contractions haven't and hasn't, we often don't say the sound t at the end. Listen. I haven't met them before. She hasn't called. Listen to these examples with haven't. We haven't eaten dinner. I haven't seen you in a long time. I haven't finished the book. Listen to these examples with hasn't. She hasn't been to Japan. He hasn't answered my email. He hasn't studied English before. Now listen and repeat. Click on pause after each sentence. We haven't eaten dinner. I haven't seen you in a long time. I haven't finished the book. She hasn't been to Japan. He hasn't answered my email. He hasn't studied English before.